This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Welcome to a beautiful single-family residence nestled in a serene and private neighborhood in the fast-growing area of Northwest Cape Coral. Discover this stunning Delray floor plan model in the newly gated community of Stonewater. This single-level home with a split-bedroom layout boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage with 2,032 square feet under air. The home features nice upgrades, including 42-inch white cabinets in the kitchen, granite countertops, white tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, large pantry, plank tile throughout the main living areas and carpet in the bedrooms, 8-foot interior and exterior doors with upgraded baseboards and casings. Owner added a custom built-in cabinet in the living room area, creating design and extra storage space. The separate laundry room comes complete with a laundry tub, washer and dryer. Enjoy our Southwest Florida weather from your large and private screened-in lanai. Plenty of room for a pool. This home comes with a backyard fence perfect for kids and furry friends. Driveway and lanai with pavers. Sidewalks in the community. Stonewater, located in Northwest Cape Coral, offers full amenities such as a community pool, fitness center, kids playground, tennis courts, and pickleball courts. This community is on city water/sewer and not in a flood zone, so flood insurance is optional. The location is fantastic, close to shopping, supermarket and schools. Call today to preview this beautiful home and make it either your primary residence or seasonal retreat. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.